Here I have Google Pixel XL, and let me show you how to insert the Nano SIM card on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. So afterwards you need to find and open the slot for your card. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's open the slot by using some kind of the thumb tag or special eject tool, and let's just press it right here. Alright, now you can remove the whole slot from your device right here, and let's insert here the Nano SIM card. Here I have the Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put the whole thing right here and press it to the end. As you can see, I just accidentally switched on my device, but it's good because we can check out if our card is working properly. Now let's unlock the screen, and as you can see, now you can use your device and the mobile network. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.